Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set Google as your default search engine in Chrome. If you've ever found yourself typing a search into your browser and winding up with results from an unfamiliar search engine, maybe Yahoo or Bing, and wished you had Google back by default, this tutorial will guide you step by step. By the end, you'll know how to make sure every search you do in Chrome uses Google automatically, making your browsing faster and more reliable. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser. Make sure you're using the most recent version for the best results. But don't worry if you're not, the process is pretty similar across all versions. Simply double-click on the Chrome icon and wait for your homepage or a new tab to load. If you're seeing anything unusual on startup, that's okay. Just let it finish loading before you move on. Next, look up in the top right corner of Chrome, and you'll see three little dots stacked vertically. Some folks call it the More menu or the Options button. These dots open up all of Chrome's behind-the-scenes settings. Go ahead and click those dots. When the menu appears, find and select Settings. Sometimes this will be toward the bottom of the list, so just scroll if you need to. Think of the Settings area as the control room for your browser. This is where you can tweak things to match how you like to use Chrome. Now, you want to look for the section labeled Search Engine. Depending on your version of Chrome, it should be fairly easy to spot, usually listed on the left-hand side or in the main screen. Click on Search Engine, and you'll see what Chrome currently uses for searches in the address bar. If you're not seeing Google listed as the default, don't worry. We're about to fix that. Inside this search engine section, there's an option to change or manage search engines. Click on this, and you'll be shown a list of available search engines. At this point, scan through the list and find Google. If Google isn't selected already, this is where you can make the adjustment. Just click on Google from the list. Once you've found Google, go ahead and select it, and you should see an option appear that says, Set as Default. Click that button. This is the final step. By doing this, you're telling Chrome to automatically use Google whenever you type a search directly into the address bar, without needing to go to google.com every time. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference for convenience and speed. And that's it. You've now set Google as your default search engine in Chrome. Every time you search from the top bar, Google will be the one serving up results. If you had a different search engine before, you might notice faster results, or just a layout you're more comfortable with. And if you ever want to switch again or try something new, just come back to Settings and repeat these steps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Got any questions, or did you run into something unexpected? Leave a comment below. I read everyone, and I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more straightforward guides like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.